In this section, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Python and how to run Python code. Basically, there are several ways for running Python code. The easiest way, especially if you are a complete beginner, is to use an online editor like Riplit or Glot. Such an editor doesn't require you to install any piece of software locally on your computer. Another option is to run the code directly in the Python interpreter. I recommend you to use Python idle, which is bundled with the default implementation of the language. This is Python idle. As your project becomes bigger and bigger and you are already a professional Python programmer, you'll probably want to use an IDE installed locally. IDE is short for Integrated Development Environment. I'll show you how to create and run Python scripts in PyCharm, which is probably the most popular IDE for Python. This is PyCharm. Another loved IDE, not only for Python, but for other programming languages as well, is VS Code. And later in the course, in the data science and data visualization sections, I'll show you how to use Jupyter Notebook. This is Jupyter Notebook, and it's a web-based interactive computing platform. And finally, if you are a sysadmin or a network engineer, you'll probably want to run Python scripts for DevOps or automation at the terminal or the command line. In this course, I'll show you how to run your Python code using all technologies. Now, if you already have some experience with Python and know different ways to run Python scripts, you can skip this section.